do this, then submit.
I won't go over to the cafeteria to get some lunch. You need anything?
Nope, but I will come over. Okay.
You just want to share my drink?
Now in the course, I can't make it larger. I'm going to make it larger. You know, I can. Change the opacity of it. Should be able to make it larger. I can zoom in. I want to talk to you about a certain area of the course. I think it's our network, it's noon, it's lunchtime. Everybody's on the Wi-Fi. It's really responsive if I were doing this at a different time of the day. So I could bring you a certain part of the course and talk to you about, say, a specific assignment or take you into a lesson. If I switch to the whiteboard app,
I don't know. My pocket is down the lower one, I know.
I got my board hidden.
No.
See if I can bring up
My
my
schedule
board.
is in my office. There is, oh yeah, okay.
So I can bring up the board and the marker, and I can talk to you about a certain area and mark it up. I can clear the board and change the color.
Just really are.
And to make sure that you do this lesson, you need to do a review before you get started. It's very slow. I think it's because of our bandwidth at the moment. Other than that, it works very well.